Hey everybody, this is Brian Yearling with the School District of Waukesha Instructional Technology Coordinator Team, and I'm doing another one of our SDW Core app tutorials. This particular tutorial explores Photos app, which doesn't seem like anything too special, but it's worth knowing what it can do. So when you are on your iPad or iPhone or iDevice, you may from time to time decide to use the Camera app, and we're going to do that right here. So here's our camera app. I don't have anything too exciting here to look at, but let's see if I can find something quickly. Yeah, I'll show you my messy house. Alright, and getting my hand out of the way, we'll take a picture. Beautiful. Now that I have a picture taken, the question often exists, where'd that picture go? And so what we're going to do is swing on over to the Photos app. This is where pictures are taken, and you can see the two wonderful photos that I just took snapped in are right down there, and we can take a look at them from there. So as we're taking pictures, they're coming into this app. As we're taking videos as well, they're also coming into this app. You can see one up here, another one right here of videos that I have taken. So all of our media as far as video and images comes into this app. And what can you do from this app? Well, one of the things you can do, and you just saw me do it there, was to go ahead and blow up the picture for greater viewing. That's kind of a nice feature when you decide that you want to, for instance, AirPlay this particular video over a Apple TV or AirServer app for a whole class to see. So a kid could take a picture and then you say, all right, show me an example of your work that you did on your piece of paper sitting there, and they can do that. Another option that you can do is play video right from this app. I'm not sure what we're going to see here, but you can see we can play video right from this app as well. Not a very long or robust video, as you can tell. But here you go. And we'll get back out of that. So both of those are possible right there. I want to just show you a few other things within the app that you might want to know about. Up here we have a slideshow option. And what's nice about that is you could load up your iPad with, for instance, pictures taken throughout the first quarter or first trimester of the year, and at parent-teacher night you could have a slideshow playing, or your students could do a slideshow of the science experiment that they did, and it could be part of their museum walk as kids are walking around and exploring that. They can select music to play over the top of that if you have any on the iPad. So there's one that I happen to have on there. Great. And when we click the slideshow, you'll see here, it'll start playing with all of the pictures that we have there. Another little option that we've got there is we can also edit from up here. And so I can take some pictures that I need to clean up, and I can click delete. So there's something that cleans off my iPad a little bit. I can also take some pictures and I can elect to share them out via mail, via message, photo stream to other people. I can print and copy right from within this app. So something that it's nice to know exists. All right, just some other pieces that you should understand about the app. You've seen that I've gone from photos up here to photo stream. If you happen to have more than one device syncing to the same iPad, your photo stream would be there. So for instance, on my iPad, if I had my phone hooked into that, my iPhone hooked into that, and they were using the same Apple ID, both would be present, and images that are on my iPhone would show up there. Another nice little feature, part of the iOS 6 update, is the ability to add specific, actually I think ISO 5 update, add specific albums. So right now I've just got my camera roll, but I'm going to add a new album here called, let's see, my project, or whatever you want to call it. And it's going to say, hey, which of those images belong in my project? And we'll just pick a couple of them that belong there. and we'll go done. And you'll see that now I have 2 albums. So you can have a wide variety of albums there, and this gives you a little bit better opportunity to organize your photos. The last one, and I think this is kind of an interesting one, although it might be a little bit nerve-wracking for some folks, but it's interesting in the ability to do this. If you have it set up on your iPad that you want to record the location where a picture is taken, when a picture is taken, if the iPad's online, it will tag that photo. And here you can see, when I click on different pictures, for instance, that location is Lindholm, and I believe, I'm not exactly sure where that one is, but you can see that as I click around, you'll find different locations in the district and the pictures that go along with that. So that would tag locations. Kind of a neat thing if you think about it, though, from the perspective of perhaps taking pictures on a phone and you're trying to get some sort of a global positioning or some sort of a nature understanding or perspective. Kind of an interesting idea. So that's the Photos app and a general overview of what it can do. Thanks for listening.